Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're back out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to do a Remaiden of the Nanchang 1200 millimeter Chinese trainer, the CJ6 version 2. And I say it's a Remaiden because I noticed things with it. I didn't like how they had the receiver. I had taken an old AS3X sport receiver and programmed it for being an AT6, which is fairly close in size and everything to this one. And to be honest, I just didn't like the way it reacted. And so for that reason, I figured, well, maybe that was part of my responsive problem I had yesterday when I was trying to maiden it. Of course, the wind was bad, you know. But I put an Admiral Stablility Plus receiver in it. I've got it in experience mode, which is the same thing as AS3X only. And I have safe available, but not turned on. I also balanced the prop and kind of repaired I ordered some new nose gear. It's a lot cheaper than I thought it'd be. It's 20 bucks for a servo and retract and the whole 9 yards. So I figured, well, I'll go ahead and get it. And I balanced the prop, and I've done my range test, done my CG. Okay, we got right, yeah, up, down, right, left. All right, and we'll do takeoff flaps. Very little wind.
Flaps up.
Very little wind this morning. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Much better.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Much more locked in.
Flaps up.
Yeah, much more locked in. Oh yeah.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Let me bleed off some speed here. Oh, that's a good looking bird right there. I know, I'm saying it again, good looking bird. Much better.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Much better. Oh man, yeah.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Not bad. Not bad. Of course, y'all know
Flaps up.
when I'm not talking, you know I'm a little nervous.
Take off flaps.
All right, let's see if we can.
Landing flaps.
Just try and get her sorted out.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Take off flaps.
Much better. Okay.
Flaps up.
Much better. I think she needs a little bit of all right. Here, turn around here. It's like any other plane. Once you get her trimmed right, seems to be doing a lot better. All right. No flaps at all that time. Okay. We'll do,
Take off flaps.
got a minute left. Running a 4-cell 65 DC charged 2200 4-cell roaring top. Roaring top 4-cell, which is a new battery, brand new battery. All right, we're going to land at this time with
Landing flaps.
full flaps,
Time remaining 1 minute.
but we're going to have a little bit of power to it though. There we go. There we go. There we go. I think we can go one more time.
Take off flaps. Landing flaps.
Oh, coming too hot. I kind of plopped her down, but hey,
Flaps
not
up.
bad. A lot better than yesterday, that's for sure. All right, of course, there's like next to no wind too. So, well, anyways, there it is. Now that's a very successful Remaiden of the Nanchang CJ6 1200 millimeter version 2. This is the collector's edition. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.
Motor off.
Motor off. It's what you want to hear.